So these two lines coming under the pavers, the one on the left is station 8, and I saw that it was capped over by the block wall, so I can cut the line on the left and cap it there. I still don't know where it's coming from though. That's which is kind of disturbing. The one on the right is station 4. I'm going to cut that and reroute it all the way around the pavers in the garden square. But that one on the left, I mean, I can cap it, but I still don't see where it's getting water from the controllers over by the box over there. But I'm going to cap both of them and press on here. Yeah, so this pipe here, this is for station 8, and there's nowhere I can see that it goes under the pavers and connects to that one dead line, but I'm just going to cap the one under the pavers and cut the other one off. And I'm going to add the second little stretch of this weed barrier. This is made of something called coco fiber, and here's the other layer. I'm going to put some silicone in here to seal that. What I always want to do is have these plastic nails that are working out pretty well. Just, I usually drill it so I can get it started. There we go. Let's push it in there a little bit. Yeah. Perfect. About a week ago, I was digging up these lines, these irrigation lines, trying to find out, what went to what. And I dug up this one that was against the wall there, and on the left side there, it was not attached in there. I just dug it up out of the dirt. And then when I was digging up this one here to try and trace this path, I broke it right about there. This is the one that came out of from the pavers. This is station number 8. When I turned station number 8 on, there was water gushing in this little trench here.